This one is the younger brother of him. Yes, the mom have 3 color: white, brown, and black. She is beautiful mom. And she is grandma, and this one is her son. This grandma have 3 group kitten. This one is the one of the son. She is group 2 of grandchild. Today is 210 days old. And the mom is group 3, group 6, group 6 of grandchild. Today is 376 days old. Now you can see 3 group of grandchild here. Group 6, and one of them, this one with the grandma, group 3, 210 days old, and the new one, oh, they are eating dry food. Good. That's the first sign. They start eating dry food. Good. Congratulations. If you eat the food, the mom will be yes, exactly. The Angel. I missed that. Yes, that's the first time. Normally I don't give them food, but now they come and join with the mom for eating. Mom eating normally food here with the other cat. Now it's here. You like it? Okay, you can eat. Yes. The mom like this food too much. Before I buy a different brand, she don't like it. She like this brand.